Hello everyone, I'm Fiona working at Japan Homes as an office assistant. One of the amazing things in the construction industry is we make owners' dream house come true. Every time when we see owners' happy face, we think all our efforts are worthwhile. I'm working here because I'm passionate about construction and management. Working in Japan Homes, you can fully feel all your passion, courage, and conviction. We always simply follow the three main principles. Keep promise, nice and tidy, and do basic. Welcome, join us. Enjoy working and enjoy life.